Hey guys, so today we will be preparing some Barbie fried pigtails. Yes, you heard right. Barbie fried pigtails. So what you will need is some salted pigtails. Just go into the supermarket, get salted pigtails. I prefer the one that is sitting in the water. So we're just going to go ahead and take out the pigtails that I'll be using today. This is very salty, so you have to rinse it a few times before you start the cooking process. I rinse mine 6 times, and then I allow it to soak the night before I start the cooking process. You could allow it to soak for however long you choose to. When you allow it to soak, it lessens the we call it scalding process, where you try to get the salt off the pigtail or the excess salt off. You go ahead by turning the heat on high, bring it to a boil, then you drain the water and you add fresh water. You repeat this process 4 to 5 times. Then you're gonna go ahead and add fresh water, put the heat on medium, cover the pot, and allow it to cook slowly, where the meat becomes tender. I prefer mine to be extremely tender, where it's almost falling off the bone. That's how I enjoy mine. So when it comes to that level of tenderness, I'm gonna go ahead and cut them into small pieces. You could cut them however your size, the desired size you choose. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add some counter flour. I'm not gonna add no seasoning to this flour because the pigtail has its own flavor, so you don't want to mess with that. After, we're just gonna go ahead and coat the pigtails in the flour. Now we're gonna add some oil to the pot, allow it to heat, start frying our pigtails. Then we're gonna go ahead and make our sauce. So we had some barbecue sauce, some ketchup, tomato ketchup. Oh Lord. I am not using any specific measurement in this recipe, and I apologize. Then we're gonna go ahead and add some lemon blend. Gonna go ahead and add some black pepper and a little bit of cayenne pepper, just to taste. Then any type of red wine could be used. This is what I have available, so I'm just gonna use this. I'm gonna add a little sugar. We're gonna whip it up. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little jerk sauce to taste. Then we're gonna go ahead and dip our pigtails in the sauce, get them all covered. We're just gonna go ahead and pour all the sauce over it. Put this in the oven for 30 minutes. Then your Barbie fried pigtails is ready. Yum, yum. This smells so delicious, guys. I hope you like this recipe. Please try it and tag me. Thank you.